Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. Like we said, we wish you a very happy Independence Day. In fact, not just from me, but our entire team of Mirror Now, which will of course be telling you what it's looking like as we celebrate our independence. In fact, we will be getting you visuals from not just Red Fort, because remember, the Tiranga will be flying high as India celebrates its Independence Day. This is India's 78th Independence Day, which means we're also, of course, essentially celebrating 77 years of completing that freedom that we've got. And now there will be a grand ceremony at the Red Fort. Prime Minister Modi, remember, will be unfurling the tricolour. You're looking at these beautiful visuals from the national capital. You can see how the tricolour is on display. Prime Minister Modi is expected to lead these celebrations. In fact, celebrations erupt across India. So we're not just talking about the fact that what we're going to be looking at in terms of right now, but rightly so. It begins with this. A lot of them have already unfurled the flag. We're given to understand Defence Minister Rajnath Singh has already unfurled the flag. He's hoisted the flag. But as far as Prime Minister Modi will unfurl the national flag for the 11th time in a row at the Red Fort, let's also tell you in the view of the same, of course, security has also been tightened. But it's going to be very interesting to see how we're going to be celebrating our 78th Independence Day. Remember, President Draupadi Murmu did address the nation on the eve of Independence Day, which was last evening. She emphasized the need to strengthen affirmative action as a tool for inclusion while urging the rejection of divisive tendencies rooted in perceived social hierarchies. But more importantly, we're going to be also looking at the theme of the Independence Day, which is Viksit Bharat for this year. But as we see celebrations that are happening, we're given to understand it's not just, of course, India celebrating its Independence Day. You're looking at these live visuals from Red Fort. We'll get to see that on full display through the entire day. In fact, but we're looking at live visuals from Red Fort as far as how this will mark off Prime Minister Modi unfurling that particular flag. And then right after that, we're going to be looking at a lot of different parts of the country coming together. The theme of this year's Independence Day is Viksit Bharat at 2047, underscoring the government's goal, remember, of making India a developed country by 2047. Like I said, this is the 11th consecutive year. As I get you those details, you're looking at these amazing visuals from the Red Fort in the national capital. This is where we're going to be looking at Prime Minister Modi come just in a while from now. The theme of this year's independence, like I was talking about, is also underscoring the government's goal. This is considering the fact 2047 would mark 100 years of independence. So keeping that view in mind, remember on multiple occasions Prime Minister Modi has spoken about it. He's spoken about how that roadmap for India to, of course, celebrate its independence, but also keep that view in mind.
मेरे को कल एक शख्स मिले थे, यानी उनके 2022 के में अपने मोबाइल में अपनी फ़ोटो दिखाई, मेरी मोबाइल दिखाई, तो काफ़ी खुशी होता है भाई यहाँ के लोग नहीं देखो मेरी मोबाइल की फ़ोटो अंदर उसने संभाल के रखी हुई है, तो काफ़ी अच्छा लगता है यहाँ पर।
थैंक यू।
You know how people want to celebrate. Of course, we here, I can say personally at Mirror Now,